Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant not opening on your Windows PC. First, close all Valorant processes running in the background. Right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Look for Valorant, Riot Client, and Riot Vanguard in the list. Right-click each one and choose End Task. This will fully close the game and launcher before restarting them. Next, make sure the Riot Vanguard service is running correctly. Press the Windows key, type Services, and open it. Scroll down until you find the VGC service. Right-click it and select Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic. If the service is stopped, click Start. Then click Apply and OK. After that, restart your computer so the changes can take effect properly. Once your PC turns back on, open the Riot Client. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. Under the Valorant section, click Repair. This will scan and fix damaged or missing game files. Wait for the repair to finish, then restart your PC again. You should also change a few compatibility settings for Valorant. Right-click the Valorant shortcut and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. Now launch Valorant again and check if the game opens normally. Thanks for watching.